Hello friends, welcome back to my channel that is Technical Knowledge. This is Swapnil, and today I will show you how you can practice KNIME workflows or how you can explore KNIME workflows, right? Let's say if you want to study KNIME workflows or explore KNIME workflows, then you should have some workflows, right? Then you can easily understand the concept and all these things. So for that, what you have to do is these are some sample workflows. But if you want more sample workflows related to the particular, let's say if you want particularly for data cleaning purpose or Gen AI purpose, or let's say for VLOOKUP purpose, multiple purpose according to your requirement, then you can refer one sample workflows that are available in KNIME Hub. How you can explore it, I will show you. So for that, what you have to do is you have to open your Chrome, okay, and just search for KNIME Community Hub. Okay, this is the KNIME Community Hub. Okay, you have to accept the cookies. Okay, now what will happen is you can sign in if required. If you don't want to sign in, then don't, but it's always better to sign in because you will get multiple details, right? So it will take some time, so just I accept and close. I will use continue with Google and I will use my email ID. Okay, simple. And you have to just provide access, so click on continue. This is the simple steps, 2-second steps. Okay, once it is sign in, yeah, agree, continue. Okay, so this is a KNIME Community Hub. Okay, now if I go again Community Hub, click on a Community and Community Hub. Now we have multiple starter collections and different things. If you want to more, this second and third tab is more advanced level. But if you are talking about, if you just started KNIME and want to explore it, you can use the starter collection. And there are multiple tons of workflows which you can refer for your purpose or your practice purpose. Let's say count, how to use count if, sum if function, VLOOKUP related to the thing, or let's say I want for data cleaning workflow. Just type this, okay, and you will get multiple. You can see this dataset cleaning and formatting. If you want cleaning and all these things, then you can refer this video where it will properly guide you and explain you, right? So let's say if you want to refer this particular workflow, okay, so what you have to do is if you have to, first thing is you have to download your KNIME workflow, KNIME software. Once you download it, just go to this KNIME Community Hub, search according to your need, and then here is the download button, right? You have to just click on it. Download workflow. Okay, so my workflow is downloaded. Now what we have to do is we have to open our KNIME, and in the Explorer you have to just click on the 3 dots and import a workflow. I just downloaded in my, I think, yeah, this one, and just I will open it. Okay, now it's added in our Explorer. You have to just double click on it, so this will open. Now info I don't need, I can just zoom out a little bit. Okay, so this is one of the workflow. If I did reset, then you can by node you can explore it. Let's say this is a table reader, right? So if you play this, there are near about 10 rows and they are doing some cleanup activity. And then initially they started some string cleaner. Then what they done is they have included some selections to make the cleaning activity. Then they did some merging things, and then blah blah blah. So you can refer this different. Just you have to click on any node, and then you can check their setting and all this thing. But this is how you can check what they have done exactly, right? Same if you want to, okay, if you want to again download, let's say click on the starter collection. Let's try something like a VLOOKUP function. Okay, so again the process is same. You have to just download it. You can explore it by going to each node, visit each node, and try to understand what they have done exactly, and try to replicate this without any without this reference and try to replicate this by your own, and then this is how you can learn the different workflows and their settings and all these things, and this is how you can get mastery in KNIME. Okay, but this is how you can achieve different parts of this KNIME, and you will get the hands-on practice. uh, let's consider this Excel reader, then how you can download it from Excel, how you can do a transformation, and all these things. So yeah, try it from your end, and yeah, I will add the link in the description so that you can easily follow this link and get this KNIME Community Hub, and then you can download workflows and all these things. So if you like this video, then do like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much.